Welcome back, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the delightful world of container gardening and exploring 5 low-maintenance fruit trees that are perfect for growing in pots. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these fruit trees are not only easy to care for, but also offer a bountiful harvest. Let's get started. First on our list is the ever-popular lemon tree. With its glossy green leaves and vibrant yellow fruits, the lemon tree is a wonderful addition to any container garden. It thrives in pots and can be easily maintained with minimal effort. Plus, who can resist the allure of freshly picked lemons for that refreshing glass of lemonade? Next up, we have the resilient fig tree. This Mediterranean favorite is well suited for container gardening, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space. Once established, the fig tree requires little attention and rewards you with delectably sweet fruits, perfect for snacking or adding to your culinary creations. Moving along, we have the charming and compact dwarf apple tree. Ideal for small patios or balconies, this tree adds a touch of whimsical elegance to your outdoor space. With minimal pruning and regular watering, you'll soon be enjoying crisp, juicy apples right from your own backyard. Let's not forget about the delightful dwarf peach tree. Its stunning spring blossoms and deliciously juicy fruits make it a must-have for any container garden. By providing ample sunlight and well-draining soil, you can enjoy the beauty and bounty of fresh peaches without the need for a sprawling orchard. Last but certainly not least, we have the enchanting cherry tree. This ornamental beauty not only adds a burst of color to your garden, but also bears an abundance of succulent cherries. With minimal pruning and proper care, you'll be savoring these delectable gems straight from your own potted tree. And there you have it, 5 low-maintenance fruit trees that thrive in pots, bringing the joy of homegrown produce to any aspiring gardener. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening gloves, and let's get those green thumbs to work. Stay tuned for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!